Do you have a crack in your ceiling, in your drywall, or along your foundation wall? These could be signs of a bigger problem beneath your home. The issue is called differential settlement. That means one part of your foundation is sinking faster than the rest. This creates stress on walls, floors, and the structure of your home. You might see gaps around doors and windows, sloping floors, or spreading cracks. These are warnings that your foundation is moving. To stop this movement, we use a solution called underpinning. First, the engineer visits the site to observe the pattern of failure and determine where the piles need to be installed. Back in the office, the engineer calculates the design loads, dead loads, live loads, wind loads, seismic forces, and snow loads. Based on this analysis, the engineer decides how many piles are required and how much capacity each pile must achieve. Contractor then receives the engineered drawings and prepares the site accordingly. This includes excavating down to the bottom of the footings. The engineer inspects the prepared locations, and once approved, the contractor begins installing the piles. During installation, the engineer monitors every pile, confirming locations, depths, and torque readings for capacity. Once installations meet the design requirements, the contractor is authorized to attach all the underpinning brackets. If the project requires house lifting, the engineer directs and supervises a lift. It is important to note, lifting can cause cosmetic damage, such as new cracks in ceilings, walls, flooring, or even minor cracks in the foundation itself. The engineer will determine when to stop to avoid any risk of major structural failure. Once lifting is complete or no further lifting is desired, the engineer instructs the contractor to lock off the brackets. The area is then backfilled and compacted around the foundation walls. After cleanup, the site is finished and the home is stabilized. At BC Foundations, we design, engineer, and install underpinning systems across BC. If you notice cracks or movement in your home, call us today, and let's make your foundation safe again.